Welcome to Creative DIY with Momdas and to Vlogtember 2021 Episode 6, where I shall share fall decor DIY using old book pages. I have old book page craft videos almost every day throughout this September. For this DIY, I'm going to recreate a beautiful banner that I saw on Etsy. So I took one old book page and deciding which side is going to be the facing side, on the back side, right on the top. To give this thing a little extra strength, I am just adding a little strip of paper. You can even glue together two sheets to make them more stronger, or just remember to add an extra strip at least on the top where there will be holes through which it will be hanging. So now let's get on to the facing side. Now I have this buffalo check patterned paper that I had printed out on a regular A4 size paper. I'm going to make a pumpkin on this using black pen. So my pumpkin will have to sit inside this. So this is the total thickness of the pumpkin that I can use. So let's make it. I'm using a thick pen. I'm using a thick color pen, and not just a thick color pen, I am making a really thick boundaries because I'm going to cut them. So now using fine scissors, I'm going to cut this out. So I cut out a whole pumpkin, and also I'm going to cut these portions out. Therefore I made the outline really thick so that all the pieces that are there, they will have an outline of their own. If there is an outline missing, make sure to add it. So now all the pieces are outlined, and I'm going to glue them in place here. So starting with the centermost. I glue the next piece, keeping a little gap in between so that the textbook portion is seen through this, the old page sheet is seen through. Now I take my black pen and make a stalk here. Next I'm going to make a swallowtail. The easiest way would be to just fold it like this so that I know where my pattern ends, and then just snip off from the midline till the end, and I have a neat tailed end. Again on the top I need to have the holes, so I just fold it and say about half an inch on from the side and the top, punch holes, and this piece is ready for the banner. So I'll make multiple pieces. You can make as many pieces as you want and string them using a jute rope. That will make it look really beautiful, or even a black chunky yarn will also be nice here. Today I am joining Sonia from Domestic Diva DIY for Fall Pumpkin DIY Challenge. Links to her channel and playlist are given in my description box. For this DIY, I am taking a piece of cardboard and cut this in shape of a fall leaf. I think you can get such cutouts in craft store and use one of them. After I cut this out, I'm going to cover this leaf shape with some old book pages all over. Next, I took a piece of wooden block and I have this printed buffalo check with me. I'm going to cover this totally in this paper. You can paint it, but using a paper here would be an easier option. So here is the cardboard piece that I've cut out, and I have glued some old book page sheets here, and they look really good. And this is the wooden block, and I covered it with buffalo check paper. Now it has this black thing. Let me bring some black in here. So I'm using a black color pen and defining my leaf further. I'm using a thick pen for this. Next, I'm going to take this wooden piece and glue it at the bottom like this, and this will become a stand, slightly centering it, and it can stand on its own then. Next, I have some false artificial yellow flowers and leaves, and I'm going to glue them here on this shelf kind of thing that is formed here. And I think this makes a really pretty decor for fall. Very farmhouse as well as vintage rustic vibes. Hope you enjoyed my fall decor DIYs using old book pages. Come back for everyday episodes of Vlogtember 2021. Do like, share, and if you're new here, consider to subscribe along with pressing the all notification bell on. Thank you so much everybody, and have a great day.